I've been comparing Appmysite and Apppresser throughout 2025, and both are excellent tools for turning WordPress websites into mobile apps. That said, they serve different user types, so the better choice depends on whether you're looking for speed and simplicity or deeper customization and flexibility. Appmysite is built for users who want a fast and easy way to create a mobile app without writing a single line of code. It's designed to be user-friendly from the start, offering a clean dashboard where you can connect your WordPress site, preview your app in real time, and publish it to app stores with minimal effort. It supports WooCommerce, offers push notifications, and allows for basic branding and design customization. For small businesses, bloggers, and entrepreneurs looking to get their app live quickly, Appmysite is a time saver that gets the job done without technical complexity. Apppresser, on the other hand, is geared more toward developers and power users. It integrates tightly with WordPress and gives you full control over how your app behaves. You can use custom plugins, tap into the WordPress REST API, and build more complex features like offline content or membership areas. If your app needs to go beyond simply displaying blog posts or product listings, and you're comfortable getting hands-on with development, Apppresser gives you the flexibility to create a more tailored experience. If you want something that works out of the box and saves time, Appmysite is a great pick. But if you need advanced features and you're not afraid to build things out a bit more manually, Apppresser gives you the control and customization needed for more complex projects. If this comparison helped you decide which platform fits your goals, be sure to like the video, share it with someone building a mobile app, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.